Guys, we have a serious problem in my Tesla. You see that little warning thing right there? If you tap it, nothing's gonna happen. But this symbol, it correlates to your tire pressure, guys. The recommended pressure is 42 PSI for the front and rear. We are chilling at about 35 PSI all around. That's about a 7 PSI difference. That is pretty huge. So I'm gonna take my LASFIT air pump and go around and fill all the tires up. Now this thing is currently at full charge. All you need to do is press and hold, wait for it to turn on. Full charge right there. I'm gonna change the mode, so we are at the car setting, and for the car setting I'm going to set it to 42 PSI. And just like that, we should be able to fill it up from 42 to 42. We have to do about 7 PSI per tire. This is at full battery, so let's see how much battery it takes off this thing and how long it takes total. I really love this air pump because it's so simple to put on the external hoses. Legit, watch this. You're just going to put the hose in, you turn it, it is snapped in. It's easy as that. Now all you gotta do is go outside to the tires and fill it up. So we're out at the first tire back here. All we're gonna do is unscrew that air cap, screw this in instead. You'll hear the air start to leak out. That's totally normal. It seals it pretty fast. And it reads it as 35 PSI. So let's make it to 42 just by pressing the power button. It's just about to complete, and it's taken 1 bar off our battery. We are now at 42 PSI. You can really see the difference of this one, the one we just filled up, versus this one. You can see it's really bulging on the bottom. And with this one finishing its fill up, we haven't lost any battery. That is pretty good. Now to go on the other side. Front one, third one is finished. Haven't lost any battery. This one at 35 PSI, it's very noticeable that it is a little chubby on the bottom, a little flat. Let's start this up and see what it looks like afterwards. At about 40 PSI, I noticed that it went down from 3 bars to 2 bars of battery life, but that's still pretty good, and the tire is looking a whole lot better. Time to unplug and screw this back in. So we finished airing up the tires thanks to the LASFIT air pump. This thing is awesome. It's not even hot, and it just finished filling up all 4 tires. It did about 7 PSI per tire. That's almost 30 PSI continuously. It has its different modes, and it'll remember what you set for the PSI, so it'll be ready for next time. Now, I'm pretty much done with this. How do I get the hose out? All you do is you twist it and pull it out. It's so easy. Putting it in my hand, and then it's time for the carrying case, which you can put multiple hoses in, the charging cable, as well as a charging cable for your phone from this. Yes, this is also a power bank. It can charge your phone. On top of being a power bank and air compressor, this thing also has a light on it. So you can see at night if you're in the dark. This thing has you covered during the day, during the night. Can also flash so no one hits you. It's a really good device. To shut it off, I'm just gonna press and hold it, and now it's gonna go back into the case. It all just fits in here like that. And it's so small, you can put it in your sub trunk, the side trunk, or screw it. You have center console space. You can put it in here. This thing is all around great. I'm definitely gonna have it in every Tesla I get. It should be every car, because this isn't just Teslas, this is for every car. It's small, portable, and it's a baby powerhouse. If you want one for yourself, or at least wanna just check it out, I have a link in the description below with a discount code. So you can get this at a better price and never have to worry about anything, whether it be your car or your phone. Power bank. Thanks LASFIT for saving my parents' Tesla.